This time, the damage to the laptop that cannot be turned on is caused by a damaged connecting cable between the power button and the motherboard. The end of the cable is burnt. This causes the power button to not work properly. The solution is to buy a new cable and install it properly. This type of damage is usually caused by a technician's mistake when installing. The cable position is not correct, causing a short circuit. This happens because when the laptop receives a power source, 3 volts of voltage appears at the power button. So if this path is connected to the grounding path, it will short circuit.